Hi everyone, this is Ron from Neon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom domains to your Neon.ly or Neon pages. Custom domains allow you to use your own domain instead of a Neon.ly or Neon page. There's a lot of reasons for you to use one, but the main ones are just to increase your branding or to use any slugs you want. So now, how does it work? As custom domains are a paid feature, the very first step is adding a payment plan. You can do this by clicking on your username in the top right and choose the payment plan. There you can purchase credits for custom domains for Neon.ly or Neon page. Simply use the plus and minus buttons to add the credits. You can also remove the Neon disclaimers on your custom Neon page. Continue the billing process until you reach the success page, and hey, that's done. Now if you want to add custom domains, first you need to open your custom domain settings. If your payment was successful, you should see this active 0/1 sign. It basically shows how many of your credits you've used. If yes, click on the plus button on the right, add your domain to the input and click on Save. After saving the domain name, click on the arrow and a drop-down menu will open. Now you need to head over to your DNS provider and create the 4 displayed records. You can find a few tutorials from the most popular DNS providers in the description. After you've done it, and if they were done correctly, this indicator will turn green. When everything's ready, you can activate the custom domain. This will set the active 0/1 to 1/1. The white label switch removes the Neon disclaimers from your Neon page. It only works if you have purchased it in the payment plan. With this button here, you can delete custom domains. So that's it basically, and now you can create your own Neon.lys or Neon pages using your custom domains. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below.